Hi, welcome back to another video. This one today is for I've been doing my glitter calendar for 24 days. It's Boxing Day now, but on Christmas Eve I received another order from Stella, which was for my Valentines collection of glitters. So we will be going through those in a minute. But the one thing I was going to say is I put a post on the Stella site. It's their like help page where you can post stuff like pictures of your nails and that, and videos, and get support, advice, etc. What I didn't know was in day 24 of my calendar there wasn't only these, there was also this. Right, on day 24, if you remember, if you watch the video, I pulled these out and done that nail with the where is it, and did that thinking that was it. I was a bit taken back by getting a bag of gems, and I thought, oh right, that's different, so we did that. It turns out that Vanessa said, well, there's supposed to have been another extra bag in there as well. And I'm like, oh, okay, well, what usually happens when I'm doing these nails and that, if I've got anything with monomer on them, I bag it and I usually fling it out the window. Now, bearing in mind I'm in a bedroom, it has to drop, I don't know, 20 foot into the garden. We've got a separate bit of the garden where the dogs don't go, and the quickest way to get rid of the smell is to fling it out the window, and then I collect them and put them in the bin outside. Save walking through the house with it smelly. So of course I put that red packet, what the advent calendar was made up of, screwed it up, put it in a bag with my other stuff, with the monomer stuff, tied the bag up, put it out the window, and never thought anything of it, you know, went in the bin. But then when Vanessa said, no, there's another extra packet in there, I was like, oh my god, no. And all I could say is thank god it was Christmas Day, because nobody does a bin collection on Christmas Day. So we had to go and scour through the bins for this. So I presume it's like a bluey lilac, and they are little shards of iridescent pieces of whatever they are. They're really nice actually. So yeah, we got a double whammy for 24, and I didn't know. Dozy moo me. So that was it. That's that one. That'll learn me to be a clever dick, won't it? Oh, you all excited? I know I am. Oh, can't wait. Right, these were any 10 packs for £14. Let's get them all out ready. And that includes first class delivery signed for. So you get them in your hand. You do, which is great. Now, she wasn't going to, I did say to her don't send them until after New Year because they were closed, but she was so good in sending these out, like a day after that they'd actually done their last post. So I'm so grateful to her. Right, let's go through them. Valentine's Day, we have got matte coloured hearts in lilac and pink, and we've also got red in there, which is shiny. Oh look, I got a traitor. That is inside, isn't it? Yeah, it is. How strange. They're quite nice, and they're not huge. They're not big ones. so they'll fit on nails really nicely. I like that, so that's quite nice. We'll leave that one there where you can see it. Right, True Love. So I would call that like a cerise pink, maybe purple, but as you can see they are shifting to reds, blues. I can see those hearts are a little bit bigger than those ones. You look, it's quite difficult to look when it's so bright, but they're pretty. I like those. Tried to order the things that I don't have, and this next one is something what I don't have. Oh, I like this. Right, these are it's called Jealous Heart, and they are, it looks like 2 different sizes, I think, by the looks of that. So they're really small ones, and one's the same size as that one. They're matte, but they've got like a sheen to them. I don't know if you can pick that up all right. Try not to blind you, obviously. It's quite difficult, but hopefully you can see them. I love these. Such a different colour. So that's that one. Right, Crazy Stupid Love. This is lips, which has got a cutout bit in the middle, in red. Yeah, shiny red that one is. And there's hearts in red. There is shoes, like a high-heeled shoe, in, I'm trying to think of the colour, black, pink, I think that is it, black and pink for the shoes, yeah. And they are matte coloured, the shoes are. But how cute. I like these. So that's that one. Right, Truly Madly Deeply. So obviously by the looks of that we've got silver strands, which are so bright in hollow. There is silver hearts in there. They look slightly matte. They are hollow, but they look slightly matte as well. And there is cut out lips by the looks of it. Is there cut out hearts in there as well, or am I seeing things? No, I think there's cut out hearts in there as well, in red. So that's quite a nice one. Ooh, black heart. They're nice. Look at all those colours. No need to explain that at all. That is just like, wow. I mean, that encapsulated is going to look amazing. Right, Baby Love. Silver hearts. Now, are some of them hollow, or are they all hollow? But they're like a matte colour. They're nice because they're small. I do like small glitters, or small-ish, I should say. Should we do that one next? Right, Summer Loving, which is a bit of a mix. So obviously we've got some fine pieces in the back there, and we've also got, there's hearts in there, which are iridescent. There is, oh, some flowers, pink flowers, and there's some hexagons in there. I think what else is there? Can't see anything else. Yeah, so there's 2 different size hexes, pink flowers. That's quite nice with the pink flowers actually. I like that one. Okay, last but one, Lover Boy. Another one which is so many colours on it. Oh, I love it when you turn it towards the light. Okay, this is like a teal colour. That's so nice. Love that one. And last one, Sealed with a Kiss. Right, we have got mylar shards in there, and they're really nice ones actually, because they're not big mylar shards. They're all, I would say, probably 3 mil, which is quite nice. I hate it when people put massive pieces of mylar shards in mixes. You have to pick out the pieces that you want. So I love it when it's been put in a mix like this. Right, so we have got red hearts in there, the smaller red hearts. There's the mylar shards in there. There is, oh, there's some pink hearts. There is also pink lips and red lips. Just trying to see if there's anything else. I think that is it in there, and obviously some fine in there as well. Yeah, I reckon that's it for that one. So that is my Valentine's glitters. Now, Glitter Stella is on Facebook. She's got a shop page on there. Oh god, I got hiccups, terrible. And there is also a Glitter Stella support page, and I think she also sells on eBay, but I just write down what I want from off the page. I just message her on Messenger, pay via my bank, and yeah, they're there within a couple of days. So, and these were £14 for any 10, which includes first class signed for postage. Okay, so that is it for that today. My next video, I'm just going to record another one, which will be some an AliExpress bits what I've turned up and glitter bells. Okay, so that will be coming up next, and I will see you in my next one. Okay.